we measure a range of different ecological and socio-economic aspects in Efforts B. As part of the core B11 activities, we measure the growth and survival of all the planted trees every year. Oil palm productivity is an important aspect of the experiment. We measure the harvested yield of all the oil palms located inside the experimental plots and also the palms adjacent to the plots. As you see here, the oil palm that is harvested is located directly next to the plot, so in position number 1. But we also monitor the oil palms in position number 2 and 3 in order to quantify the potential spillover effect on the surrounding oil palm plantation. We then compare the results with the oil palm yield in the conventional plantation. We used a terrestrial laser scan to create a 3D high-resolution model of the vegetation, which is used to quantify different aspects of the vegetation structure. Using over 200 seed traps, we evaluate which plant species arrive spontaneously and contribute to natural regeneration. With fluorescence powder, we can track the dispersal of target tree species, such as here Ficus variegata, that is dispersed by various animals such as bats, sometimes over long distances. In the future, this will allow us to detect how the experiment plots are connected to each other and to the broader landscape. In collaboration with the B06 sub-project, we survey of all the plant species found in the herb layer and make an inventory of all trees and shrubs that establish spontaneously. The majority of them are native to the region. In 2017, a large interdisciplinary team of researchers conducted a fieldwork campaign in Efforts B. The B09 sub-project sampled over 10,000 insects that were sorted in the laboratory with the help of talented students from Jambi University. Also, bats were sampled. Here 2 examples of species that feed on fruits in the top and on insects in the bottom. A02 sub-project used drones equipped with thermal camera to measure the temperature of the canopy, which could be used to quantify the water use by trees. Different sub-projects from A and B groups joined forces and sampled soil that were used to quantify multiple aspects, such as soil carbon, metabolism of soil fauna, and diversity of bacteria and fungi. C08 sub-project focuses on the human perspective. They conduct experiments in different villages by providing seedlings for free to oil palm farmers in combination with information about tree planting from booklets and videos. They test how such interventions influence the planting behavior. The biodiversity enrichment experiment Efforts B receives considerable attention from representatives of the Indonesian government, the oil palm industry, ecosystem restoration concessions, and many farmers and students from the region. More tree diversity experiments have been established under the supervision of our Indonesian counterparts from the universities of Jambi and Bogor.